How to make a cappuccino using an espresso machine. You will need a Nespresso machine, a Nespresso milk frother, a water tank that is full, milk, an 8-ounce mug, and a pod. Place the pod into the top of the Nespresso machine and then close the lid. There are 2 buttons, one for a single shot and one for a double shot. Select the double shot. Now the mug should be under the machine being filled with the double shots, so now we can focus on frothing the milk. Fill the milk frother to the fill line. Once the milk frother is filled, you can click it one time so it'll start to froth warm milk. The milk should be frothed and the espresso should be brewed. Pour about 2 ounces of milk into the mug. This should fill the mug about halfway. The remainder of the mug will be filled with the frothed milk. You may need a spoon to help scoop it out. Now for the last step, you get to enjoy your cappuccino.